Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well and staying busy. So, quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do not have any sort of degrees. Everything I've learned has been on my own. I stumbled across this and I guess I just wanted to kind of share it with people because I didn't find any information about it. The dog was barking. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm gonna pause and go see what the dog is barking about.
A few moments later.
Okay, the dog wanted to go outside. Alright, so this is a debt hacking, wealth building tool. One of the things I would really recommend is work up your budget first. This is profiting from loans. And let me pull up my screen here. And I will go to the first one. And we will jump right into this. You want to invest and you feel like you don't have enough to invest with. First of all, you can invest $10 a month and you'll still be building money. But talking about this loan hacking is what it is. As you can see on the screen here, I have a calculator pulled up. It's from Bankrate. It's a personal calculator. And I have a loan amount of $1,000. And I just put other as a purpose, and I have a loan term of 1 year and an interest rate of 12%. So you can see here that the estimated payment is $89, and I have the amortization. Can't ever say that word. Anyways, I have that pulled open, and you can see here your payment would be about $88.85 principal. This is your first payment. $87.85. $10 goes to interest. So this is your payoff schedule for 1 year. And you may be saying, why would you get a loan? Okay, well, this is why you would get the loan and you'd make these payments. Because if you take that money and you invest it you put the whole amount, whole $1,000, no more contributions, you're not putting any more money in. Investment time span is 1 year and the interest rate of 12%, which is totally possible. Right now I'm earning around 13.3 or something like that. Now you see what happens to your future balance here. Okay, this is after 1 year of investing. So let me jump back to the other screen real quick here and go back up. And as you can see here, it says total interest paid is $66.19. So the total amount you will have paid is $1,066.19. But you will have earned on the dividends, and this is monthly payment on the dividends, not annual and not quarterly, although those can work too. So you have earned $1,127, which means your profit is $60.81. Wow, you just earned money off of a loan. Yeah. So let me close these calculators. I've got a couple more examples for you. I did this beforehand. Okay, so next one. So that was a $1,000 loan. So this one is a $20,000 loan. It's on a 3-year term, same 12% interest. That's all the same. So your estimated payment is $664 a month. Loan term is 3 years. So here's the table of what you would be paying over 3 years. And the total amount you would have paid on the loan is $23,914.30. Okay, let's hop over to the interest calculator. Now you can see that balance. So that is $28,617. The difference between the two, my other calculator disappeared. Hold on, let me grab it. Okay, there's my other calculator. That's how much you paid, that's how much you earned. This is the difference. You would have earned in these 3 years $4,702.70. You made money with a loan. Interesting. Pull these off to the side. I have one more example of how powerful this is. And if you're enjoying this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, because I hadn't seen this mentioned anywhere else, I just figured I'd put it out there for people to contemplate, and maybe it'll help you out. Alright, so one more. Okay, so this is a $50,000 loan. It's on a 5-year term, 12% interest. Your payments would be $1,112 a month, and the total interest you would pay would be $16,733.34. And there's the table, the breakdown. So after 5 years, you will have paid your total of $66,733.34. Now, remember, you take the entire amount of the loan and you invest it, okay? And you can get 12%. So, well, my calculator disappeared again. I always do that. Sorry about that. Okay, there's my calculator back. So, you can see the balance right here. This is after 5 years. This is the same amount of time you've been paying on the loan. You will have $90,841. And so your profit would be $24,107.66. Just earn money from a loan. And I will show you one other interesting thing. And keep in mind, after your loan is paid off, your investments are still earning money. Okay? Let me move these out of the way. I'll show you something here real quick. I'm actually going to use a different calculator here, just to show you. I'm going to go to investor.gov. They don't show a monthly breakdown, but let me do 50,000. No monthly contribution, length of time. I'm going to show you what happens after you get your loan paid off. Okay, you paid on it for 5 years. You have it paid off. So let's say you leave that money invested, that $50,000 invested, and I'm just going to put 20 years on here. And I'm going to put the estimated interest rate, say you can maintain a 12% interest rate. I'm going to put a variance on here of 2%. That means that it will fluctuate up and down roughly 2%. And I'm going to put monthly on here because most of my dividends pay out monthly, and even my quarterlies are set up that different companies pay out in different months. I'm still getting a monthly return just from different companies. In 20 years, without investing any more money, the account will be worth $544,627.68. You have your retirement. I mean, we could go one step farther. We could do 25 years. I mean, most people work, they actually start working at age 18, sometimes even earlier than that. Sometimes 16, sometimes 17. Now, I would not suggest a 16 or 17-year-old getting a $50,000 loan. Okay? That's not what I'm saying. But if they can start investing early, and you can use this loan hacking method, you'll have almost $1 million in 25 years. In fact, I could probably jump it up to $1 million. We'll call it 27 years. Okay? So say you got the loan between the age of 20 and 25. You got it paid off between the age of 25 and 30, and then you let it sit. Okay, now 5 of these years you were paying off the original loan, but the investment was growing. Okay, the first 5 years. Okay, 27 years, you are anywhere between the age of 47 and 52. Yeah, 47 to 52, you have $1.2 million in the bank. And you didn't invest any more money in this account after the initial investment. Okay? That's on the $50,000. Obviously, the $1,000, it's going to do the same thing, but it's going to take it longer. The $20,000, it'll do the same thing, it will take it longer. But this is how you can profit from getting a loan. And that's kind of crazy, but the numbers work. The numbers are there, and they work. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of share this with you guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have degrees in it. Everything I learn, stuff I've looked up myself. So if you found this useful, or at least interesting, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. So, have a great day.